third part is a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. This statement is true because a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. Left AB is a terminated line and right AB is also terminated line in this figure shown. Answer. Fifth part is if AB equal to PQ and PQ equal to XY, then AB equal to XY. Solution of these questions: AB equal to PQ and PQ equal to XY are given. Then AB directly equal to XY. Therefore, this statement is true because it is given that AB and XY are two terminated lines and both are equal to a third line PQ. That is, Euclid's axiom 1 says that things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. It is an answer. Question 4. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC equal to BC, then prove that AC equal to half AB. Explain by drawing the figure. Solution of this question: given AC equal to BC. Figure of this statement: draw a line AB taking C a point on AB. Given AC equal to BC, then AC adding both sides. Therefore, AC plus AC equal to BC plus AC, because equal are added to equals. AC plus AC implies that 2AC equal to BC plus AC. BC plus AC equal to AB, because BC plus AC coincides with AB, so that AC plus BC equal to AB. Now AC equal to, taking 2 in right hand side, then AC equal to half AB, because 2 is divided in right hand side. Half of equals are equal. Therefore, given statements hence proved.